Today's fleet operators truly appreciate mobile maintenance for its convenience and for the time it saves.
I'd say about larger mobile maintenance trends. One thing that's for sure, our clients and the industry we're servicing um, really appreciate the mobile product offering. It saves the fleet operator a lot of time when it comes to getting vehicles to and from a location for maintenance, preventative maintenance, or corrective. So I'd say one trend is it just continues to grow. Customers continue to ask for mobile service on site when their vehicles are already down, out of service, because their focus is uptime of that asset. And they more sophisticated operators are getting really tuned in to what that asset contributes to their bottom line and trying to make sure that they're constantly getting that vehicle on the road.